Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you want to bring your old colored damaged dry hair from Felicia to Ruby Roo, then this video is perfect for you. I got the right products for you guys. I think you guys would love these products, and I think this would be perfect for your weave, and not only your weave but for your red hair. So continue watching this video. So the products that I'm going to be using in this video are from a company called Mix Easy, and the products that I got were face cream, hair conditioner, and some shampoo. So first I'm going to start off with the shampoo, and I'm going to shampoo my hair, and I'm going to tell you all a little more about the products. What I love so much about Mix Easy products is that you get to choose your own ingredients and pretty much create your own formula. Yes sis, I said that you get to create and pick what you want to go into your product, what works best for your hair type, your skin type, or whatever is your desire. You get to choose what key ingredients you want to create in your shampoo, in your conditioner, in your face cream, and so much other products that they have on their site. So as you can see, I've already shampooed my hair, so I'm just detangling it and combing it out, and then I'm going to go in with my conditioner, and I'm going to be leaving that conditioner in for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse that out. At this very moment, this is when I realized that my conditioner smells like freaking heaven. The scent that I had picked out was honey and milk, so it smells so freaking good. Like OMG, I love this so much. So I'm pretty sure you all have seen this product when I did the product review of this blow dryer brush. So bomb. I use this literally for my weave, my real hair, like super bomb. If you don't have this brush, I don't know why. But so I'm pretty much brushing, I'm air drying the hair so I can get ready to flat iron it after I dry it. I also feel like this brush is a little more safer than the regular technique, because I feel like it's not really drying the hair out too bad. So I advise everybody to invest in this brush, not only for your hair but for your weaves. To save your weaves, take care of your weaves. So this is the hair completely dry. Now I'm going to go ahead and separate the sections and get ready to flat iron. So like I stated before, you want to start off with small pieces to get that nice bone straight look. So that is what I'm doing, and you can already just see the flow of the hair. I have not added any oils, no serums, no nothing. Like just the shampoo and the conditioner, and the hair is like literally just flowing so beautifully. Like look at that, it's moving so, oh my gosh. So yeah, no product, just the shampoo and the conditioner. And this is, I believe this is like hair store hair. My stylist made this wig for me a long time ago. I'm not sure what kind of hair this is, y'all, but I think it is actually hair store hair. But it is some bomb hair. The color took really well after bleaching. The hair is still not dry. It still looks bomb. And you know, most of the time when you bleach hair, depending on what kind of hair it is, it can get dry easily, depending on what kind of products you use, what kind of flat iron you use. Like all of that plays a part when it comes to how your hair comes out. So this hair definitely reverted and definitely came out bomb, like as to when I first got it done. So thumbs up for that. Hello. And look at the highlights. I love this color. I did retouch this wig color up because it was starting to turn orange, so I did touch that color up. Look at that movement. Yes. So this is pretty much the finished product of me straightening the hair. So now you're going to see me go in and trim some pieces that needs to be trimmed, so I can get that nice little blunt cut look back into my wig. And yes, this is basically the finished product. It's moving. Oh, look at that hair. That looks like some good meat hair. Like that. So bomb. The color looks good. The color combination looks awesome. The products, highly recommend you guys to check out Mix Easy. Everything, all the information for this company will be in my description box. Love, love, love. I advise all you lovely ladies to purchase the product. And yeah, this is my wig, the finished product, honey. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to thumbs it up, leave a comment, drop a comment, whatever. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you loves in my next video. Mwah.